A lot of hype around Apple AirPods. AirPods have kind of become a meme. They're out there, they're in the wild, but there are alternatives out there. Now, I've tried a few. I've tried wireless earbuds all the way down to 18 bucks. Those ones have a wire between the two earbuds themselves. So what about an alternative that's sort of more like AirPods without the AirPods price tag? That's what I'm looking at today. These ones are almost half the price, or actually exactly half the price. 79 bucks, Anker Soundcore Liberty Air, kind of reminiscent of AirPods. Maybe they sound good, maybe they don't. You can answer phone calls, you can talk into these things. The earbuds themselves have 5 hours of playtime combined with the case, 20 hours. Now, if you're familiar with the company Anker, if there's somebody to trust in the battery department, it's probably these guys. Nonetheless, could it be the AirPods killer? Let's go ahead and find out. Let's look at this guy. He's happy. It's a business trip. He's a traveling man. Kind of looks like Jack, actually. Is that you? With the leather bag, the coat, but the jeans, because you're still a cowboy at heart. Brokeback Mountain. Ooh, okay. Not much bigger than an AirPods container. Small, medium, and large ear tips. These are the earbuds. Now, I see it says touch right there. So are they also touch sensitive? Willie Doo is nodding his head right now. Left, right, you pop them out. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in. I'm just gonna get, ooh, okay. Pretty comfy, to be honest. Not gonna fall out of my head. So when you buy them, they go straight into pairing mode. Pair it up. Okay, hang on. Let me just have a listen real quick. Please, allow me. I got no play pause there, Will. Hold on a second. It's a hold? Okay, Will's got a little update for us on the interface. You tap it twice for play pause. What else you got? Twice to answer and end phone calls. Of course, if a phone call was coming in. So it's a longer two tap to switch tracks. What does this one do?
The left one is track.
Wow. Okay, so each touchpad is doing different things. The left one is the previous track, if you want to go back a song. The right one is to go forward a song. The right one is play pause, answer phone calls. The left one can launch Google Assistant. Wow. As you can see here, I'll double tap and the song will begin playing. Okay, that's a little Pink Floyd. I'm gonna reserve my feedback here. I'm gonna pick something from a different genre right quick, if you don't mind. Give me a minute here. Beast Mode Hip Hop. There you go. I want to test the range. I'm gonna walk away from the phone a little bit. The range is pretty good. Big difference between different genres of music. I went from Pink Floyd to Future. Nonetheless, they both sound good. Way more bass on the hip hop side, as expected. AirPods don't actually really cut you off from the world. These ones are much deeper, so you're a bit more isolated and a bit more in the music. I wish there was a bit more volume here. I thought that these could maybe deliver a little bit more. Let me just try one more track here. Rough Riders Anthem. There you go. They do something that AirPods do not do. I think they sound better than AirPods. You're getting punched harder with these than with the AirPods, in my opinion. How was the sound bleed? Zero. You're hearing nothing, which is good. All right, last thing I want to do, I should make a phone call real quick. You call me and I'll try to answer it right on the headset. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Willie Doo?
Yeah, that's me.
You sound good, man.
You sound a little staticky.
Do I?
Yeah.
So I say a sentence like this and then there's leftover garbage at the end.
Yeah, just a little bit.
I mean, it's usable.
It is.
You've heard better Bluetooth headsets on this show right here.
Yeah, definitely.
He has. Okay. Very well. Thank you very much for the phone call, Will. You've been a tremendous help, as usual. This is the Liberty Air. It's available in black and white right out the gate, which I think a lot of people are gonna like as well. It's a nice little kit. It's a nice little package. These are half the price of Apple's product. I think Anker has another hit, potentially another hit on their hands. I think it's a decent alternative to Apple's product. That said, keep in mind, Apple's putting out the AirPods 2, the rumor is relatively soon. Those are probably going to improve on the previous version, but don't expect them to be affordable by any means. If anything, they're probably going to cost more, probably going to be like $200. So if you're trying to stay away from that price point, this is a good place to look. This is a good place to look. Can we end it there? I don't know, somewhere else before.